Beat freaks.
Yeah, first things first. Rolly hand go straight beneath her skirt. Coco Chanel if she show up. Spend the night with the boy, I bet you gon' squirt. Last batch that I whipped up was superb. Thousands on the Rolly and I still can't tell the time. First cooking lesson, bro, I swear it blew my mind.
Yeah, first things first, she gon' spit and suck it first. Touch my chain, motherfucker, that's a curse. I had to put in work, boy, I had to learn. He gon' fuck me 5 bands for a buzz. 30 for the brick, man, I need a flip, yeah. I can't move past Harris, man, I need the drip, yeah. Fresh from LA, bout to take another trip. All this money, bout to put it on my wrist. Can you fuck me in the evenings? Got so high, she fucking hit the ceiling. She keep telling me go deep in.
Yeah, first things first. Rolly hand go straight beneath her skirt. Coco Chanel if she show up. Spend the night with the boy, I bet you gon' squirt. Last batch that I whipped up was superb. Thousands on the Rolly and I still can't tell the time. First cooking lesson, bro, I swear it blew my mind.
Made an order on the go, put a tag up on his toe. If you try and touch my fam, cross him out, tic-tac-toe. Had to show up in Italia. I don't pay for sex, so I decline Italia. Yeah, money before the record deal. Bitch, bought a 6 up at the dealership. Bitch, she still stuck up in an ego trip. Bitch, counter paper, cut my fingertips. Yeah, their eyes full of pure envy. I'm on a fuck frenzy. Push weight, I push heavy. You can go ask RB. Yeah, this league's mad, I lost that sea. Oysters, no Jubilees.
Rolly hand go straight beneath her skirt. Coco Chanel if she show up. Spend the night with the boy, I bet you gon' squirt. Last batch that I whipped up was superb. Thousands on the Rolly and I still can't tell the time. First cooking lesson, bro, I swear it blew my mind.